here at the Linear Technology booth, and we have just taken part in a press conference where Linear, alongside with Lion Smart and Chrysler, presented us with a new concept car, namely BMW's i3 electric vehicle, but you fitted it with some new battery technology.
We have. It's really interesting. So what we've combined is our battery management technology with a wireless sensor network. And that allows us to communicate the voltage, current, and temperature all wirelessly back into the car.
All right. So you've added yet another layer of communication around the car, smart vehicles, networks, everything. There's going to be issues revolving security around this, hacking and faulty connections.
Correct.
How have you taken precautions to this?
Right, so the wireless sensor network we used is called Smart Mesh. It's actually a company that we acquired from Dust Networks several years ago, and it's used in industrial process control. So it's used in environments where security and reliability is extremely important. So it has AES 128-bit encryption built into it, so it guarantees that your data gets from point A to point B within the car. It's fully encrypted and virtually impossible to hack into.
So next question, why specifically BMW? Why did we see just this concept car, or specifically this concept car?
Yeah, there was a couple reasons. One is we already provide the battery management system for the i3 and worked closely with BMW. This project was actually, though, took it in a different direction as we worked with this company based here in Munich called Lion Smart that has a unique BMS capability. It's an open source BMS, so it's very flexible. And they also have a special relationship with BMW and access to their engineering team. So they were able to work side by side and do a full integration. And this battery pack is fully integrated into the car to the point where state of charge and range information is displayed through the original heads-up display in the car.
All in real time?
Absolutely, just like it's a regular production series i3. So it's a very clean integration.
So how far ahead in the future until we see this as a mass manufacturing car?
So it's a good question. So again, this is a concept, but we are working with some lead OEMs on the projects right now. The numbers they're talking about is around 2020, which is pretty typical 4-year development cycle in automotive circles, and that seems very achievable.
Yeah. And where do you foresee this car taking off geographically? Which markets are the most interesting for you guys?
You know, interestingly, the interest that we've seen from the OEMs is really all over the world. We haven't seen any regional focus. We think, there's certain areas like China that tends to adopt these technologies quicker, but we have European and US partners as well that are actively developing it, and it's kind of a race to see who gets there first.
Well, I wish you the best of luck with it, and thank you for taking the time to speak to us.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you.